Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite apps on the Apple Watch SE. This is a great app if you've got elderly parents you're trying to keep track of, or if you've got kids in school events that you're trying to keep track of, and that is the Find People app. Now the first thing you have to do before you can get going on this is you have to use the Find My app on your cell phone, and you need to share locations with the people that you're interested in keeping track of. You've got some different options. You can either share your location at all times, you can share it for an hour, you can share it for that day. So if you're worried about privacy, you don't have to turn this on for all times. With my family, we just keep it on at any times. I can always look and see where my family members are at. What's cool about it on the watch though is I'm just going to show you, you've got some different options in here. One of the apps, this is delivered by Apple, this is not a third-party app, is Find People. When I click on that, it shows me all of the people that I have a location shared with. So you can see we've got a couple of people here, and then I've got one labeled Kid 1. I can click on that. Let's say if I want to see where's my kid at, it shows me their location on a map, shows me the location they are and how far they are from me. I can also go to the bottom. I can pull up their contact information. I could get directions to their current location. The nice thing though is you've got these options down at the bottom for notifications. You've got an option for notify me and notify, in my case, kid number 1. That's what I've got this contact labeled as. If I click on notify me, I've got the option to say notify me when my kid leaves their location. This is a great feature. A lot of times my kids will be at sporting events. I need to pick them up. I can set the watch to automatically tell me whenever they've left that location. So I know that their school bus has left and I can start planning on getting there to pick them up. The other option that I've got is notify me when they get to my location. So if I'm sleeping or something and I want to be notified whenever my kid gets home, you can set the watch so that it notifies you whenever they get to where you are. This is also great. I'm using kids as an example, but if you're at a concert or anything like that and you're trying to find somebody, once they get close to you, you can set it to notify you. I just wanted to show you a couple other options in here. You could also say notify my kids. So instead of notifying me, notify them. So for example, if I'm going to pick them up, I could say, hey, look, notify them whenever I leave my location. So it tells them that I'm on my way, or you can notify them whenever I get to their location so that they know I'm there. Again, there's a lot of different things to do in here. I just wanted to show you kind of the basics of it. It's a great feature, especially if you've got elderly parents, you want to know where they're at. If maybe you need to get to their location, all you got to do is have them share their contact information with you. Use the Find People app on your Apple Watch. Make your life a lot easier, as with most things on this watch. If the video helped, thumbs up or appreciated. I hope the video gives you an introduction into using the Find People app on your Apple Watch SE. Thanks for watching.